Okay, so I just gave my bike to Jake, whoever Jake is, and then I'm going to be rocking the Rocket 3R. So it has the more mid controls, the low, like more forward bar. The GT has like, they're very like forward mounted. You can see on that one how far forward the foot controls are. Like they are at the front of the engine, and this guy is like in the middle, which is way more my style. Like I don't like the feet forward controls. Feels like just weird. So yeah, there's the ignition on. Got the key in my pocket, and let's try this thing out. 25 hundo cc's of pure British power. Good evening, rider. Oh, woo! Sport, we'll like it. What's so cool is all the bikes are all the same. It's like it's all the same. You know what I mean? Like it's all the same. Like it's different, but it's very, very similar menu. So getting from one to the other is really, really easy. This is a heavy girl. Woo! Well, when you gun it, the whole bike like goes left. That's so funny. Wow, she's got BALLS. There's no quick shifter, so I gotta be the quick shifter. Oh, it's wow. Wow. And she's the whole rev range has power. I would hope so for 25 hundo cc's. She's a big boy. She's a big boy. See, one thing I don't like about this kind of like setup is that I find like I slouch. Hell yeah, this thing sounds great. Like, you guys know it's not for me, but hell, this is awesome. It's awesome. When you rev it, the bike literally goes left. Hilarious. Only 6,000 RPMs though, which makes sense because it is a really big engine, so it's not like, you know, you're used to 15,000, 13,000. No, this is 65 hundo. And now we're going to a check stop. This is how they find out I'm Canadian. I know the Super Duke's faster, that's why I said in some of my Instagram videos, like if you're a good rider, 0-60 and all that, and it's a smaller engine and stuff, but this is like a cruiser. It's a completely different style than my Super Duke, but it's I got my photo taken. Yeah. He was not happy. Like the whole bike like comes up, it's hilarious. Yeah, dude. There we go, got through the border patrol nice and easy just because we're a big group, and yeah, so it's nice. After using the quick shifter on the other two bikes all trip, I feel like a peasant now without it. Like I need it. Like I know how to quick shift without the clutch because I don't use the clutch for normal riding, but when you have the quick shifter, man, it's so nice. It's like you don't know what you have until it's gone. Like third gear though, going 90 kilometers an hour, like gunning it at my Super Duke, it'll wheelie. This thing's kind of like, you know, it's, I don't know, it's definitely powerful from like 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, but I feel like at 100 kilometers an hour in third gear, I whack it open on my bike, I feel like it's like much quicker, but hey, different style, right? But I can't help but compare to the Super Duke because it's 1300cc, this is 2500, and then the Super Duke has 106 foot-pounds. This has, I don't even know, I didn't even look. I know it's up there. I'm gonna ask the Triumph guy here at the very front. No windscreen though, I'm used to that. I ride naked bikes. I mean, I'm sure they have accessories to put a screen on if you're doing more touring, so you don't have so much wind in your chest and get tired. Just get like, you know, just get like the knee out here for this corner. This tire is so wide, it's 285, it is so wide. Cruise control, awesome. Hydraulic clutch, awesome. One thing I didn't like about the Street is that it had a cable clutch. The hydraulic clutch, I just like it so much better. What else? Yeah, nice, really nice screen. Got the tack with the, you know what, I bet you could change that though. The other bikes you could change the display. No calls, SMS, no GoPro connected, music volume, style, there we go. I want to see if I can hit the peg, because I know, see, it's way more ground clearance than, I rode the Sport Glide with Harley, and the problem with that bike was there was zero ground clearance. You could barely turn, it would just scrape, and that was their sporty model, they said. And it had zero ground clearance. It was just, I would scrape it everywhere. And when I gave it back, brand new bike, the pegs were like, the rubber on the pegs were just like worn down. It was hilarious. So just from that one corner there, that was way more fun. Oh yeah, low contrast is dope. Auto will change at night and day. Okay, so style number 1 looks like, that's what we're on. Style number 2. Okay, so there's no style like the other bike. There's 170. She pulls. Woo! Someone lost their key. Someone lost their key. That's hilarious. But dude, we stopped the whole ride though to try and get it back. That bike's not going anywhere tomorrow. What's so nice is 5th gear, you can still gun it and she goes. That down low is really nice, especially for cruising. Don't have to shift so much. It's comfy as hell, and the way the seat's designed, when you gun it, your butt's kind of held in, which is super nice. But now though, we're gonna race back. I'm gonna check out, shower, pack. We're gonna get back at 11, and then we have to leave at 11:30 to get to the airport for my flight. So it's just like back rush. It's gonna be crazy, and it's gonna be cold back home. I didn't bring my winter jacket because when I left it was nice, and then apparently it just dumped snow when I left. I got some messages from you guys on my Instagram saying, oh, you left at the perfect time. We got hit with a bunch of snow. So see, 6th gear at 80 miles an hour. It's crazy. She's got the beans. It's the only thing I can talk about this bike. It's got the beans. It's hilarious. It's awesome, but it's hilarious. I'm glad I rode this. Not my style, but I'm really glad I rode it. Like, look at that. Like in 4th gear, it's really deceiving. The beans that it has. It's awesome. And the headlights look so cool too. Dude, this what's nice about all the Triumphs we rode today, they're all the same. Like, you can jump from one to another, and like the system is the exact same. It just looks, yeah, it's really, really nice. Quality buttons and everything. You nailed it. When you get moving, the weight kind of disappears, and it's fun. And it's got more ground clearance than the Harleys I've ridden, which is nice. You can actually lean a bit, and it's fun. It's been fun. Okay, I changed the battery. Like, we gotta roll. Like, guys, it's 10:40. We gotta be there in like 20 minutes. I got customs to go through. It's so rushed on the way out. So I said, look, let's not get gas. We gotta go. And they're like, what? I got like an 8-hour trip back, so I want to get a shower. And so we're just sitting there chilling. I'm like, guys, let's go. We gotta go. So we're gonna be. I'm gonna be late. Hope I don't miss the damn bus. So I'm vlogging. I'm doing the old vlog of this. Doing the vlog. That is a good looking bike, dude. I like that. Yeah, this thing's badass, but that looks good. No, it's like boat wrap, I think, over the windows. Kind of like a saran wrap, shrink wrap thing to protect the glass, I guess. Oh, there's a car there that they're looking at something. That's crazy, dude. I want to learn about this, like why they're all here. Guys, my battery died. I had to rush back to the room. The shuttle's on the way out. We're trying to hit the first flight. Long story short is I got like 10 minutes to pack everything up and get my ass to the airport, so BRB. Yeah, that's how we're gonna end this video. Welcome back to Calgary.